Hey everybody, I'm JD Hoovener, your host of The Bold Today Show, where you, the inventor, entrepreneur, or business owner, get your daily inspiration to make the world a better place. Hey, we're in step 10 today. We're talking about the drawings and figures. Can't forget about this, right? Oftentimes when you're talking about your invention through words, we've spent a lot of time here in steps 1 through 9 talking in English language, describing the invention, how we're different from prior art, and all the different nuances there about the details. You can't forget about drawings. There's some things that just can't fully be described without showing the invention through drawings and figures. And so by doing this, you take it to the next level. You're able to provide eventually will be the examiner will look at these drawings to see and prove to them that your invention is indeed new, different, and a non-obvious version of other patented material out there. It's important to be able to do this to also get into the details, as we'll see on the next step about how we're going to go into the details. So take some time, think about anything that's been difficult to show or explain through words, and put a new figure down. What's interesting about provisional patent applications is that they can be quite informal. So don't be afraid about having to go, train for the next CAD class or AutoCAD or drafting. You can do this by hand. Even a novice can get a sketch written down about your invention. Just draw it out and make it clear. Now don't do a sloppy job. You want to make sure you put your best foot forward. So if you have the time and effort, yes, perhaps you should do a computer-aided three-dimensional drawing. But like I said, it's not required. A provisional application can be informal. So get those drawings done and use the description here in the article here to give you some examples and template language to use and how to introduce the figures. It's been my pleasure talking with you here today about step 10, which is the drawings on filing your patent application. I'm your host, JD Hoovener of The Bold Today Show. Go big,